Bureau of Investigation on Thursday said that it recently questioned Rishi Agarwal, former chairman and managing director of ABG Shipyard Ltd, in connection with its probe into the 22,848 crore rupees alleged banking fraud, said to be India's biggest. Sources said the agency searched his house on Saturday, after which summons were issued. The agency is investigating the company and its former directors, Rishi Agarwal, Santhanam Muthusamy and Ashwani Kumar. The CBI swung into action after registering the FIR on February 7 on a complaint filed by the State Bank of India on August 25, 2020. Let me discuss the history of the ABG Shipyard. ABG Shipyard Limited was incorporated on March 15, 1985. It had a registered office in Gujarat's Ahmedabad. ABGSL is the flagship company of the ABG Group and is engaged in the business of shipbuilding and ship repair. In 2009, an interesting battle for supremacy in India's shipbuilding and offshore business was being waged in Mumbai. On one side was India's second largest shipbuilder, Bharti Shipyard, founded in 1973 by friends Prakash C. Kapoor and Vijay Kumar. On the other side was the fast-growing ABG Shipyard, promoted by Rishi Agarwal, a Purdue University graduate and first-time entrepreneur. The contest was for control of Great Offshore, a supplier of rigs used in offshore drilling and an arm of the Great Eastern Shipping Company. However, after 2012, the financial condition of the firm started deteriorating. According to a forensic audit report conducted by Ernst & Young LLP, from the period of April 2012 to July 2017, the accused have colluded together and committed illegal activities including diversion of funds, misappropriation and criminal breach of trust, and for purposes other than for the purpose for which the funds are released by the bank. According to CBI, ABG Shipyard and its directors are accused of cheating 28 banks to the tune of 23,000 crores. The agency said that ABG Shipyard availed loans since 2005, but due to non-payment of dues, the account turned non-performing assets in 2013. A forensic audit carried out by Ernst & Young in 2019 revealed that the funds were diverted to other related companies, said the CBI, adding that loans were allegedly used for investments through overseas subsidiaries. The investigating agency said that these loans weren't used for the purpose availed, thus violating the agreement banks that were cheated by ABG Shipyard. According to a complaint by the State Bank of India, the company owes 2,925 crore rupees to the bank, 7,089 crore rupees to ICICI Bank, 3,634 crore rupees to IDBI Bank, 1,614 crore rupees to Bank of Baroda, 1,244 rupees to Punjab National Bank, and 1,228 crore rupees to Indian Overseas Bank. The funds were used for purposes other than for which they were released by banks, the CBI said. A separate money laundering investigation has also been started against them by the Enforcement Directorate.